Welcome to my Java course. So today we are going to learn break statement in Java. Java break statement. What is Java break statement? When a break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately terminated and the program control resume at the next statement following the loop. When the control execute the break statement, so the break statement bring the control out from the loop. The Java break statement is used to break loop or switch statement. Java break statement is used to break the loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at a specified condition. It breaks the current flow of the program at a specified condition. In case of inner loop, it breaks only inner loop. We can use Java break statement in all types of loop such as for loop, while loop and do while loop. The syntax of break loop is break. Break, just write a break. After some statement, write a break. Java break statement flowchart is like you are performing some operation by using the loop. So we check the condition in the loop, condition within a loop. If it is true, then we call break statement. As the break statement is executed, it bring the control from out from the loop. If condition is false, it execute again the condition and check the condition. Here is an example of break statement. We create a class break example. Public static void main method. Here we are defining a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. Here we are checking condition if I equal to 5, then break. Then we are calling the break. So as by the work of this for loop is to print the number from 1 to 10, but as we are using a break statement on the condition I equal to 5, so as the value of I will become 5, the break statement will be executed and the break statement bring out the control from this for loop. So the output of this program is only 1 2 3 4, and when I value will become 5, the control will come out from the loop. So the output is only 1 to 4. If we remove this break statement, then the output will be 1 to 10. But as we are using a break, so when after the printing the 4, it will check the condition I equal to 5, which is true. So it will break the loop. So let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. Create a new class, right click on the project, go to new, then class. Break example. Check the public static void main method and then finish. Write a for method for int I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 10 I plus plus. Suppose here first I am showing you to print the value of I. See, so print the value of I. The output will be 1 to 10. As you can see, the output is 1 to 10. But I want to break this loop when the I value is 5, then I want to break this loop. So what I will do, I will put a one condition, if I equal to 5, then break this for loop, break. Now it will print only from 1 to 4. As the value of I will become 5, it will break the loop. So the control come out from the for loop. So I hope you understand how break statement works. Now Java break statement with inner loop. Java break statement with inner loop. It breaks inner loop only if you use break statement inside the inner loop. If you are using a break statement inside the inner loop, so it will break the inner loop only. Here is an example. Here we are creating a class break example 2, creating a public static void main method, and we are creating the outer for loop for int I equal to 1 to I less than equal to 3 and I plus plus. Here we are creating the inner loop int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3 and j plus plus. Okay, now we are putting a condition, if value of I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then break the inner loop, and then again the control will reach to the outer loop and again inner loop will be executed. So the output of this program is the all the number will be printed, but only 2 will not print. Why? Because in this condition it is not printing the value of I and j, because we are using break. So break will, as break statement will execute, the inner control, the inner for loop will not execute. So control from, as break statement will execute, the control comes again to the outer loop. So control will reach here to increasing the value of I. It will not execute this statement. That's why I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, it means value of 2 and 2 is not printing in the output. Let's I show you in Eclipse IDE. So creating a new class again. Break example 2. Finish. Okay. Now we are creating a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3, I plus plus. Okay. Now we are writing an inner for loop for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. Now we are printing value of I and j, I plus j. Okay, let's I show you first. If this inner loop and outer loop will execute and we are printing the value of I and j, the output will be this one: 1 1 1 2 1 3, 2 1 2 2 2 3, 3 1 3 2 3 3. How this for loop is executing, we have already discussed in the for loop video, nested for loop video, so you can go and watch that video. So here the output 2 is coming, but if we put one condition, if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then break. Now you see 2 will not come in the output. Let's run this program. Okay, so here you can see 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 is not coming. Why? So 2 2 as 2 2 condition is matched, it break the inner loop. So the control reach to the outer loop and it will increase the value of I, which is 3. Now the value of I will become 3. Then it comes to the inner loop and execute the inner loop. So it is printing 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1, and after that 3 1 3 2 and 3 3. What happened if we break the outer loop? Suppose we put this break condition in the outer loop. Okay, let's see. We break this condition after that, and in this condition what we are doing, we just, if I equal to 2 break, so as the I value of will become 2, it will terminate the outer loop. I think we are not placed. The correct position of if block is here. So here we put the if block and checking break statement is using. Okay, now you can see when the value of I is 1, so this condition is false, so the outer block will be execute, control comes in the inner block and execute this statement. As the value of I will become 2, this statement is execute and it break the outer loop. So you can break the inner loop or you can break the outer loop as well by using the break statement. Java break statement with labeled for loop. We can use break statement with a label. This feature is introduced since JDK 1.5. So we can break any loop in Java now, whether it is outer loop or inner loop. So here is an example of labeled loop. So what is a labeled loop? Just we define a name for the loop. So here is the example. We are creating a Java class with the name of break example 3, creating a public static void main method. Here we are creating a for loop for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 3 and I plus plus. And we are giving the name of this for loop is AA. This is called a label. We are providing a label. This is inner loop we define, and we are providing the label for inner loop is B. And we are putting one condition, if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then break. Which loop is break? Outer loop. So as this condition is matched, it is breaking the outer loop. So the control comes out from the outer loop. So the output in this condition is this one 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 1. But if you break the inner loop, for breaking inner loop you will have to use here BB. So when you break the inner loop, only inner loop will break, otherwise other condition will be continuous executed. So let's I show you. So just go to the Eclipse IDE, create a new class break statement 3, finish, shift and okay. So here what we are doing, we are creating a for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, I 1 less than equal to 3 and I plus plus. Okay, here for inner loop for j for int j equal to 1, j less than equal to 3, j plus plus. Okay, now okay, so we have to give the name, like we give the label name b for the inner loop and give a for the inner loop. Okay, if we are print the value of I and j without break statement, let's see what happens. I plus j. So the value of I and j will be printed, as you know. Now fine, it is fine. But if I put one condition in the inner loop, if I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, then break which loop? I want to break the inner loop. So it will break the inner loop when the condition is matched. Now run this program. So you will get the output as the condition is matched to 2. So I value is 2 and j value is 2, which is not printed here. But after that, the control reach to outer loop, increment the value of I, and after that the inner loop is executed. But what happens if I break the outer loop at this condition? As the condition is matched, it break the outer loop, so the value will be printed till 2 and 1, because when that I equal to 2 and j equal to 2, the outer loop, the control come out from the outer loop after the break statement is executed. So run this program. You can see here only 1 1 1 2 1 3 and 2 1 is printed. So this is the break statement with the labeled for loop. Now Java break statement with while loop. You also can use a Java break statement with while loop. So here is an example with while loop. You can see here we are creating a Java class break while example. Public static void main method we are creating. We are initializing the variable I with 1, and we are writing while I less than equal to 10. And if I equal to 5, what we are doing? I am calling the break statement. I am calling the break statement, and I think this is not a this is in you have to remove it. Okay, so just call a break statement, and this is the condition. When the I value is 5, then call the break statement. As you call the break statement, control comes out from the while loop, and here we are printing the value of I and incrementing the variable value I. So the output of this program is 1 to 4. So let's I show you on Eclipse IDE for more clearance. Creating a new Java class. Go to the class break with while. Okay, so here what I'm going to do, I'm just defining a variable int I equal to 0 while I less than equal to 10. See, so I'm printing the value of I and I'm incrementing the value of I. So the output of this program is to print the number from 1 to 10. Now run the program. You can see here the number 1 to 10 is printed here. But now I want, when the I value is 5, the while loop should not be executed further. So what I will do, I will go here and I will put a one condition. If I equal to 5, then the loop should be break. So I just simply break statement. Now I will run the program. The output will be 1 to 4. Output will be 1 to 4, because when the condition is matched, it break the while loop. So the control come out from this while loop and program, and it will execute rest of the code. Suppose if I write some statement here, out from while loop. Okay, now run this program. So you can see after the printing 1 to 4, it will print out from while loop. So whatever the statement you have written after the while loop, it will execute after the break of while loop or completion of while loop. Java break statement with do while loop. It is similar to while loop to use a break statement in do while loop. Here you know how to define a do while loop. So this is a do. Here we are putting some statements, and I think this is not a, this is a wrong. Just remove it. This is not correct thing here. Just what are you doing? We are printing the number from 1 to 10. So here just for a while, just forget this one, this if block. Just forget this if block from here to here. Just forget this one. So you have to print a number from 1 to 10. So what will you do? By using do while loop, do system.out.println I and I plus plus, and in the while loop you will put some condition. But if you want to break the loop when I value is 5, then you put one condition. If I equal to 5, and in this if condition you call the break statement, so it will break the do while loop. Okay, let's I show you. So in this case the example will be same, 1 to 4. Go to Eclipse. So create a new Java class, go to new, then class, break with do while. Finish, shift end. Here you define int I equal to 0, do syso, sorry, syso, syso value is I, while check the condition I less than equal to 10, and finish it. Now if you run this program, what will you see? You will sorry here. Okay, terminate here. Actually we have to put I plus plus here. Now run the program. You will see the output is 1 to 10. Okay, now we have to put break statement in the do while loop. So what we will do, we put a some one if condition. If I equal to 5, then break, just call the break statement. So the output will be 1 to 4, because as the I value will become 4, it terminate the do while loop. Okay, I hope you understand now. So this is all about the break statement, how break statement is work with the for loop, how break statement work with the inner for loop, how break statement work with nested for loop, how break statement work with the while loop, and how break statement work with do while loop. So I hope you understand the concept of break statement. In the next video we learn continuous continue statement, as it is similar to break. Break is used for the break this statement means to come out from the block of the code or come out from the for loop, while loop, do while loop. But continuous is to continue to while loop, for loop, and do while loop. So what is continue statement, we will learn in next video lecture. So thank you for watching this video lecture, and watch my next video for learning new things in Java.